In a world where time is of the essence, how do we ensure that healthcare services are not just accessible, but also efficient? The answer lies in technology. And today, we delve into the creation of a chatbot using Google Dialogflow, Neo4j, and Node-RES. To begin with, imagine a chatbot that can process natural language queries from users and provide relevant data from a database. This isn't just a concept, it's achievable by leveraging Google Dialogflow, a tool that's instrumental in creating conversational interfaces. Dialogflow allows the chatbot to understand and process user queries, breaking them down into simpler elements that can be used to fetch data from the database. Now, speaking of the database, we're using Neo4j, a graph database that's known for its speed and efficiency. But how do we get our data into Neo4j? This is where Python comes into play. Python scripts are used to convert source Excel data into a format that can be stored in the Neo4j database. However, a crucial link is missing in this setup: a connector between the user interface and the database. This is where Node-RES steps in. Node-RES, a back-end tool, bridges the gap between the Dialogflow front-end and the Neo4j storage database. It's used to connect the UI and the database, ensuring that the user's queries are processed and the relevant data is fetched from the database. But the process doesn't end here. The next step involves Ontology Generation, a method to automate data extraction for databases. This is crucial for the chatbot to provide accurate and relevant responses to user queries. Now, let's take a moment to appreciate the tools at work here. Python is used to manipulate Excel data, the Cypher query language interacts with the Neo4j database, and JavaScript enables Node-RES. Meanwhile, the Dialogflow ESUI creates intents, entities, and more, shaping the chatbot's ability to understand and respond to user queries. So, what have Blackcoffer achieved at the end of this process? A chatbot that can interact with stored medical data using natural language processing queries. Blackcoffer has also created Python code and Neo4j queries for different use cases and documented the entire process. In summary, the integration of Google Dialogflow, Neo4j, and Node-RES has allowed the creation of a sophisticated chatbot. This chatbot, armed with the ability to process natural language queries and fetch relevant data from a database, enhances the efficiency of healthcare services. The combination of these technologies is not just a step forward in improving healthcare services, but a leap into the future of healthcare technology.